welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with Jayda, who is actually not here at the moment, but she will be. It's weird doing an intro when you're not here because you're supposed to be here. But we are going to be baking some cupcakes, and you're gonna watch, maybe, unless you click out now. And then we're gonna be decorating the cupcakes, and then my boyfriend will judge them. And you can also comment down below and judge them. And there's Jayda. So, let's get baking. We're not making legit from scratch, but close enough. 1 cup of water. With 1 cup of water. Mix. Water. Okay,
that was really way too difficult.
1 cup of water. Oh, I don't have. Wait. Or 80 milliliters, so maybe that will do that.
I'll save one for you. Ew, why do these feel weird? They're so good.
Ready?
So itchy. 1 ready. Oh, nice. That was a good one.
Wow. Oops, sorry, I spelled it. Oh. The mixture.
I spilled.
Said you were gonna save one for me. It's okay. I'm not.
Sorry, I actually didn't want to.
I'll whisk it. Look at, I do have a whisk.
Oops. Oh,
It's okay.
it's annoying.
Whatever, now I have 2. And then 3 eggs. Blend cake mix. Beat. Oh, well, we can't do that. I'll just mix it up. Mix it up!
It's so clumpy. Yeah, it's just mix. Just naturally like that.
You guys are wrong.
Yeah, fuck you. Oh my god. Wow, it's looking so good.
Yeah, bring it in. And if you want, see this one, like, look,
Do I hold it
if
from the
you
bottom?
want, yeah, you can just hold it and then look at, you can look, so you can actually,
Wow,
like,
this is so fancy.
you can get the views, you know? Get all the angles. I worked out my arms today and they're really tired. Yeah.
We did like a slow-mo. That was cigarettes.
Some smokes.
Hey.
Want that cake? I got that cake.
So the way my mom always did it.
How much do you put in?
A little bit more. And that's it.
Chocolate cake. That's the cake.
You might laugh.
Oh, you sound like Beavis and Butthead. Oh, what are we doing? 15 minutes? We got our cupcakes. Yeah, get it. All right. No oven mitts because I'm a bad bitch. They're on there. 15 minutes. Bam. Oh, fucker. Betty Crocker cut me. For some.
What a dumb fucking bitch.
We got the cream cheese icing.
And they so neon. What are these called? Food colorings.
But they have pink, which they never have, which I'm happy about because I love pink.
True. That is a nice color to have, but like,
It's fun.
sometimes I just want regular freaking colors.
Okay.
Pink, pink, pink. Oh, my face.
Pink, pink. Ooh, fun. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's already rising. All right. So we've now decorated one cupcake that is in the competition. Rude. So this is mine. I did a little beach theme. We got the sun, some clouds, the waves, a little floaty, and a little starfish party, and a sun umbrella. And this is Jayda's. Jayda, explain your, I keep want to say cookie. Explain your cupcake.
Well, I've been real into dinosaurs lately, so I thought I'd take a little spin on it and make it a fucking ugly ass monster.
I like this. It's a monster.
And I just wanted to use the Oreos, you know?
The Oreos is very good.
Right, I'd take it, yeah, I wanted to take
That's
in
good.
what we had.
Alright, and so that's Jayda's. This is mine. Val is coming home. He's on his way, and we're gonna not tell him obviously whose is who, and he's going to pick his favorite. Our judge is now here, and he's going to tell us whose cupcake is better. Which one do you think is better?
I like the beach one.
That's
I
mine.
know, I figured.
Really?
Yeah. Do you notice the different colors of icings for the water?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
And look at, it's a starfish party and a little floaty. Look at
What's
Jayda.
yours? Oh,
It's a monster. A little
Oh.
monster, and she used Oreos for the eyes.
Okay, I just figured it out.
Just kidding. Alrighty guys, thank you for watching our baking video with
I'm ready to
Jayda.
eat.
Jayda leaves tomorrow. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you soon. Look at the viewfinder. It's just literally my boobs because I'm reaching for the oil.
Putting the liquids in makes for. Oh, ew.
What?
I'm gonna fart over so
Why would I do that?